have two 200 horsepower Sullivan Pelletech VSD compressors. We tied those in together with isolation valves. When we leave the compressor, we have a cross connect back into the system that would bypass the dryer and the receiver tanks if required. But we come through, we tie in together and go into the inlet of the SPX Deltec refrigerated air dryer. You see we have a bypass around that, normally closed. It's a 10 position butterfly valve. All of our valves, when in the open position, point the direction of flow. So we see we come from that dryer over into a bank of receiver tanks. Each one of those receiver tanks, instead of having a bypass, will just have an inlet and discharge isolation valve, so that any one of those receiver tanks could be bypassed individually from the system. From the bank of receiver tanks, we go back through and we tie into their existing lines. So we come back through to where the air compressor, the discharge of the air compressors ties in from the bypass. And then we go around through the corner into a 6-inch, we tie into a 6-inch flange over on the other side before going into one more receiver tank and back to the plant air system.